All right, hi everybody. I'm going to quickly go over how to create the wheel since I had a fail in class for one of my class periods. I figured I'd just put a video together and call it a day. So follow along with this video, pause where you need to pause, rewind where you need to rewind because I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over where I got my dimensions. Hopefully you can find them or figure out how I got them. So first we got to start with we got to sketch on our right plane. We're going to create a circle and the diameter of that circle is 2.5. I've gone over where to find that information for 2.5. I really hope you can find it. Then we're going to finish the sketch. We're going to hit extrude. Click on that circle and we're going to extrude it 0.25. That gives us a disc shape that will start our wheel. We are now going to fillet the edges. Let me zoom in a little bit on my menus. We're going to fillet the edges of this circle to 0.125. Again, that is listed on your dimension sheet over here, so figure out where I'm getting that information from if you don't know. Now we've got to create this indent, this little inset area for the wheel. So I'm going to hit sketch. I'm going to click the right face of my wheel, and I'm going to face it. I'm going to draw a circle with a diameter of 0.5. I'm going to draw a circle with a diameter of 0.75 times 2. Again, I hope you can find that information. I'm going to finish the sketch there. I'm going to go to my 3D view and I'm going to hit extrude. I'm going to click on that donut shape and I'm going to extrude it. I'm going to extrude, remove, and I'm going to type 0.125. That'll cut into our donut a little bit. And now we've got at least that shape going on. We've got to fillet these edges, and it tells you that the radius of that is 0.0625. So again, we're going to go grab our fillet. We're going to type that in, 0.0625. And I'm going to click on each edge that I want to fillet. Just like that. When I'm finished, I'll hit check. Good. I have to, and I'm going to let you guys do this. You need to put a hole down the center of the wheel. As you can see in your drawing file, you can see that there's a hole that goes all the way through and that tells you the diameter down here. So I'm going to let you figure that out on your own. But what I'm going to show you how to do is put these cutouts in. To do that, I'm going to face the left side, and I'm going to hit sketch and click on that face. I'm going to zoom in. I need to draw 2 circles because these cutouts actually have round edges. And you can see they give us radiuses. Again, Onshape draws in diameter. So whatever radius they give, I'm going to multiply that by 2. And Onshape can figure that out for me, so I don't have to do the math. There we go. I'm then going to draw a center line from my center point up to the top of my outside circle that I just drew, and I'm going to draw 2 lines to the left and to the right of it. Doesn't matter where they're located right now. I'm going to grab my dimensioning tool and I'm going to dimension off the center line to one of those angled lines, and I want to dimension it to 15 degrees. Based on my drawing, that's where I'm gathering this. I'm going to go grab my trim tool, cut the excess circle off that I don't want and the excess lines that I don't want. Just like that. I need to erase or delete that middle line so that it no longer exists. Now I've got this nice shape, singular shape, and I need 5 more of them. I'm going to go up to my linear pattern and I'm going to hit that arrow next to it and go to circular. I'm going to select every piece that I want to copy. It should all be highlighted in orange. I'm going to click on that number 3 and change it to 6, and that's going to put 6 of those exactly the same pieces onto my shape. I'm now going to hit extrude, remove, and I'm going to click those individual cutouts. And I'm going to hit check when I'm finished. Now I've got my cutouts in, I've got my fillets in. I just need to put this peg on my one side, and I need to put in my center circle. Actually, I think one of my dimensions might be off. Let's see if I can find out what dimension it is. Okay, that's good. Check. fillet's good. Check. It has to be. Actually, I don't know which one. 25. Good, but that's. Yep. Oh no, we're good. I'm just looking at it at a different angle. We're fine. Sorry about that. All right. So, trying to think. Is there anything else I want to go over? I don't think so. I think you guys should be good for now. If you have any questions, obviously, um, try to check out Google. Google will probably be your best friend when it comes to figuring out any answers that you can't solve, just due to the fact that I'm not there to help you. Um, yeah, but hopefully that made this a little bit more simple for you, and now you just got to put a couple more pieces in. All right, I'll see you guys later.